Hey you guys, so this is a couple of clips from a live mukbang that I did on TikTok. Some of the clips got distorted, so when I was actually making the sauce, unfortunately, that got deleted. But you can find under my cooking videos how I actually make the sauce with if you look for crock pot crab. But just basically showing the beginning steps of me making the sauce and a few clips of me eating crab and talking with people on TikTok. If you like, please subscribe. Also follow me on TikTok, same name, XOXO Sarita, SYREETTA. Hope you guys are having an awesome
Welcome
day.
everybody.
Talk to you later. Bye.
Say hello, like. Clean off some of these parts. And this is all the water that you basically gonna need. Cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers. We are cooking crab. I just turned the camera around for a second to say hi to y'all so you can see who I am. If y'all are hungry, make sure you follow my page. Make sure you go check out some good recipes. It's recipes that anybody can do. It smells like crab in your house no matter how well you clean for at least a few days. I feel like I need to make this a little lower, but yeah. Crab gets cold quick too. So we finna just dig in. Don't be trying to be cute when you eating crab. You gotta go for it. You know? I'm gonna show you how to crack a crab. Most of the time it works to where you can get it out whole, with the exception of this little leg. So you crack forward, but not all the way, and then back. No! He didn't want to do it. I'm gonna show y'all one, I promise. But sometimes also, I got a good amount out of there. When you crack, if your crab don't come out whole, sometimes you overcook it for the most part. And then this is how you gotta do, right? You gotta dip it down in that sauce. See that? You see that? And then you gotta, I'm setting my little dip right here and a couple of lemons. So it's dipped in the sauce. You gotta get your lemon. I know y'all done seen B Loves Life and all them mukbang people do this and squirt it over there. Oh my God. It's so good. I haven't had crab in so long. Yeah. Okay. Cheers. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, buddy. I need to eat a salad tomorrow. I think I only got 3 people in here. But hey, y'all. If you hungry, stick around. I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure you like this video. I'm barely at 1,000 subscribers, so I'd greatly appreciate it if you follow me. If you're looking for some recipes, if you're hungry, if you need some inspiration for dinner, oof. Squirt that lemon on there. Yeah. Let me take a bite of corn. Oh, that sauce is spicy. Woo! Y'all might hear me coughing. I should have stopped at the third time, huh? What y'all doing? Y'all got some wine? Y'all kicking it? It's the weekend. Y'all in the house? All three of y'all? Whoever the third person is, hi. I don't like the knuckle part of the crab. It's too hard to get into. I also don't like, I'm allergic to it, but I don't like Alaskan crab and king crab because them things be scratching. Oh yeah, got it out. See that? Gotta dip, baby, dip. Yes. I hate smacking. It's my pet peeve, but I'm over here smacking my ass off right now. I got a little cut on my finger. See my hands? I love y'all. I'm always up to something, huh? Woo. People be asking to go live with me. I'm like, I don't know who you are. I can't just be letting you go live with me. Get on here and do something wild out. Time. I think I'm about to kill this food, so. But yeah, you gotta dip that with them onions. Woo. Oh my god. This is so good. You made crab for your birthday last year, Bliss. But you wasn't picking out like we was. We was going to town. When you do it, you gotta do it right. Cause it's not often that you eat crab, you know what I mean? Well, most people, I don't get to eat it that often. Woo. I don't know, I couldn't have overcooked these crabs. Oh, they're coming out. I'm gonna play, I don't know what's going on. You know, baby. You gotta get some of those onions on there, the dip, and the lemon, like that right there. This is good eating, baby. That was the last time you had crab? Oh my god. You overdue. Y'all got any plans for tomorrow? Hopefully I get to go to brunch tomorrow before work. That would be nice. I want to go to brunch, get something to eat, see my people. Let me put some dip on there. Can I pet that dog? Can I pet that dog? Got a napkin. They're messy. Ooh. This beer is bomb. It's bomb. We definitely finishing this tonight, though. I ain't finna play. I ain't finna play with you. For some reason, when I dip the corn into the sauce, it seems spicier. Spicy as hell. Y'all just be liking my little video. I appreciate y'all. I owe y'all. It's gonna put me to bed like a baby. I need to walk this off. Cat. Let's see. toast. I can't believe I used to be watching mukbang so tough during the pandemic. Just looking at people eating food. Crab mostly. That used to be my jam, just sitting there. I felt like such a glutton, but excuse me. Ooh, ooh. Gotta dip it in the stuff. Give it a little squirt of lemon. Yeah. I learned how to end the live without pausing it. This is so good. Remember when you was little and the cartoons, they would be eating the corn hella fast like a typewriter? I'm burnt. I think I'm getting full. I refuse to concede. Tina, did you eat all your crab? You got more than I did. I suck at all you can eat because I get full too quick. You ate all that crab? Oh my God. I'm over here struggling. I am struggling, but I feel myself getting full. Are the boos asleep? So good. Ooh, that's good. The best part is his little knuckles. I don't like crab from crab places though. Like those boiling crab places. I've only been once and it's salty. I don't like that shit. It's too salty. I don't think this isn't pumpkin. I can barely see. Ooh, but I don't think I've ever tried pumpkin brew. This is Deschutes IPA. But pumpkin brew sound bomb. I love beer. But the can is orange, so it kind of makes it look like. Deschutes is a brewery in Oregon. It says. It's been messy. I'm gonna sit my little friend right here. And him. See, these parts I can do without. Unless it's cracked, I don't be fooling with it. We almost done here, y'all. I forgot about the little shrimp at the bottom. If you're looking for recipes, if you're hungry, if you want some good food content, fashion content, beauty stuff, I do all that stuff. Make sure you subscribe or follow or whatever it is. I also have a YouTube. It's the same as my name up there for like longer form detailed videos. But I love y'all. All right, I'm about to get out of here. Let me turn y'all off. Bye.